The damage to the property due to dampness, I've had to live with that for the last 3 years. The housing executive don't seem to really have done anything. They've come out, they have cleaned walls and basically just telling me that it's condensation. It's affecting my well-being. It's affecting my health. I'm constantly coughing. I'm constantly cold. In the house, there's no heat at all in the house. I'm here with 6 children. I know children do get colds and flus, but on a regular basis, my children are sick and they're missing days of school due to this. They're in a room that is riddled with damp as well. And I've been told, keep the windows open, so I'm keeping the windows open. But children are cold, and I've been also told, if you keep the windows open, put your heat on. At the minute, the price of gas and electricity, I can't afford it.
And we are on like tender hooks as well too, because we don't know whether there's going to be another issue, whether there's going to be another problem, and we feel we've been passed from pillar to post really. But this has caused a lot of stress, and we're trying to do our best to try and keep ourselves warm, to try and look after the house itself.
When I first got the house, it was over the moon that I had moved from an overcrowded home to this home. But at the minute, my heart's broke living here.